many of you know, but I went to school in Harvard Kennedy School to study public leadership, but only to find out that the best example of a best leader is Jesus Christ. You know why? Because you know what they teach you in Harvard is a leadership with dignity. Dili ka nang manghulbot og microphone. Yeah. So who's the best example of a very dignified leader? It's only in the Bible. So I told myself, I came to Harvard only to find out about this and to realize that Jesus is the best leader that we should follow and exemplify. That's why I always say, Pastor, that my running is a calling because I'm not a politician. And this is heartily the thing that I'm running now. And I felt that it's a calling from God. Because when I started, I did not know what will happen. I just followed President Duterte. That I should run, I followed. And I leave everything to God. So I let go and let God. And I knew that at some point, the tide will change. I don't know when, I don't know how. But really, as we realize now, things have changed and the tide has changed. Only because of the Lord. You know, as I told you earlier, Pastor, God works in mysterious ways.
Pili ay di ana sugbong